It is your boy JP, and we're coming to you one more time with a how-to. I got a 2018 Toyota Camry that I just got done putting that satellite radio in. So if you want to know how to take this radio out, then continue to watch. Alright, so we got this thing pretty much halfway dismantled. So first thing we want to do, come over here. I know it looks intimidating, but it's actually not all bad. This trim piece right here, this is going to come off. It's only held in by clips. You can see the little red clips on the side. That's that piece. Next, you want to take this piece off, held in by clips. And that piece is going to take that right there all the way to the other side. Next, you want to take this bottom piece off. Guess what? It's held in by clips as well. Take that, drop that over there. Then you have this piece right here. This needs to come off. Guess what it's held in by? Clips. So take the clips out right there. Then you're gonna have one 10 mil bolt right here. You have another 10 mil bolt on that side. Then we have a 10 mil bolt right here and another 10 mil right there. Now you see, I already have those bolts out, and we're going to take this bottom part, the AC. Now this AC, you want to be careful, because after you take those bolts, those bottom two bolts, this held in by clips as well, but it's the entire AC vent, wood grain trim piece, all that is one piece. So we want to go ahead and take that out, and now we are left with this piece, which if I'm not mistaken, there we go, held in by clips, the whole entire thing. This one right here is a little flimsy. Go ahead and pull that one out. Cool. Now we're not doing a, well, let me unplug the daggone AC vent. And there you have it, guys. So we have the whole radio out. Now I'm actually not putting a radio in here. We're only doing a satellite radio. So I just had to get to the back to catch some power, forward and reverse antennas, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, no need to necessarily see how it looks, because we're just doing the satellite radio. But I just want to show you guys how to take this radio out. I hope you guys found some information. Like I said, this is a brand new, straight off the lot 2018 Toyota Camry. It's not hard as it seems. You're talking about a bunch of clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little small, well, 2 big panels, 1 trim piece, 2 little small panels, all held in by clips, and 4 10 mil bolts. It takes that thing out. If you guys found any value, please make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Whoever has a 2018 Toyota Camry, I hope this helped you out. If you're working on one, I hope this helped you out. Now you know how to take the radio out in less than 2 minutes. Hope I saved you some time. JP signing out.